Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from my channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, hindi natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of April 17 hanggang April 23 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kagalapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating makakagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos after because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads na may pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga ginap tuklasin at bulabugin natin? Angel Spirit, please give information po. There is something, the Queen of Cups, no? Some of you guys magkakaroon ka ng emotional killing na magiging kalmado ng pakiramdam mo at dadaloy na yung magandang kapalaran para sa iyo. And there is something, the Eight of Cups, something moving forward na makaka-move on ka na or either makakalaya ka na sa hindi magandang sitwasyon, na magiging kalmado na ang sitwasyon. And there's a King of Wands, King of Swords with a stop the pattern. Puputulin mo yung mga bagay na walang kaugnayan sa'yo, yung mga bagay na hindi nagsiserve sa'yo, yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong for your growth and expansion, na magiging mas matalino ka na sa dating ikaw. And there's a Four of Pentacles, now with your protect your power, protect your energy, for protection at papangalagaan mo na rin yung sarili mo. No? Even your finances, no resource of income. So let's see what is the initial messages. So there's a Nine of Wands for slowly but surely. Magiging makinahon ka na ngayon at kumbaga magiging kalmado at hindi ka na magiging padalos-dalos. No? Pag-iisipang mabuti bawat action and decisions mo. And there's a Five of Cups. No, there's a something disappointment. No, may mga pagkakamali or may mga kamalian ka nagawa dito or magagawa na kailangan mag-pay attention ka. Baka pagsisihan mo at the end of the time. What is the Queen of Cups? Represent with a Hermit card, spiritual enlightenment. So some of you guys, no, kumbaga there's something spiritual journey na maaring magdadala sa iyo ng healing, no? Maaring it's either you are also become a healer, no? May potential ka para maging isang healer or kumbaga meron kang kakayanan, no? So there's something here for mature enough and being grounded. So magiging mature ka na, papakawalan mo na yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo kontrolado. What is the King of Swords? Represent with the Two of Pentacles with a balance. Na magiging balance ka na dito, physical, mental, and emotional. No? What is the initial messages with the Four of Pentacles? So there's something, the King of Wands, something ambition. Na unti-unti mo na masisilayan lahat ng mga pagbabago. Na unti-unti mo na makaklarify dito lahat ng bagay na meron ka sa ngayon. Napapangalagaan mo, proteksyonan mo na, at titingin mo na lagi magiging posibilidad. No? What is the Nine of Wands? Represent what? Represent with the Devil card. No? Kumbaga meron dito guys na nagpapabagal ng sitwasyon mo. No? Imbis na tuloy-tuloy na yung magagandang eksena sa'yo, pinapabagal nito. Merong umaharang at umakadlang sa'yo dito. Some of you ginagawa ka ng black magic and vogue. So there's a King of Pentacles being practical and secure. Na maging secure ka ngayon pagdating sa pinag-ihirapan mo, na pagdating sa finances mo, no, dahil may mga bagay dito makapagsisihan mo. No? What is the Queen of Cups? Circles the Hermit card. So there's an Eight of Pentacles with a focus. Mag-focus ka being dedicated sa ginagawa mo. So let's see what is the additional messages. The Eight of Cups circles the Emperor, represent the Moon card. At truth reveal, na ibabahagi, lalantad sa iyo lahat ng katotohanan dito, na mas lalo ka magiging mature dito sa lahat ng mga desisyon at mga magiging actions mo. No, mas pipili mo na lang mag-move on. And there's a time moment for major changes. Malaki din ang pagbabago magaganap sa'yo. Pagdating sa buhay mo, no, magiging wais at magiging mas matalino ka ngayon. No? Hindi mo na gagamitin yung puso muna sa ngayon. No? Utak-utak ka muna ngayon. And there's a severance with stickiness niya. Maraming taong lulukoyin ka, maraming taong lililangin ka. Mag-iingat ka, proteksyonan at pangalagaan mo yung mga bagay na meron ka. And there's a six of swords with a transition. No, kailangan mo na makalaya sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. There's something toxic family, no, toxic environment and toxic friends. Maging maingat ka dyan, ha? What is the Five of Cups? Because the King of Pentacles. So there's something that to observe. There's a decision that you need to make. So kailangan mo mag-decision dito kung ayaw mo tuluyang mawala sa lahat ng bagay na meron ka. So let's see what is the initial messages tayo about sa outcome. And there's something the Page of Wands. May magandang balita. Some of you makakatanggap ka na messages, phone calls, an email, and there's an Ace of Cups na may bagong pag-ibig na darating. No, there's something, a new love, new relationship, and because there's something, the Six of Cups. Now, some of you guys, kumbaga, unti-unti na magbabago yung sitwasyon mo. No, maraming mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo from the past na bit-bit mo hanggang ngayon. No, kumbaga, natuto ka na, no, naliwanagan ka na, nadala ka na, yung trauma na nangyari sa'yo sa nakaraan ay binit-bit mo talaga. No, kaya there's something the Page of Pentacles for invest wisely. Natuto ka na how to manage and control your finances. And then because there's a Two of Wands by choices. Pili mo yung mga bagay lang na pagkakatiwalaan mo. No? And because additional messages, there's a Queen of Swords with a clear boundaries. Linisin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo makakasira ng mga plano mo, pangarap mo na sitwasyon mo. No, bago mahuli ang lahat, mag-set ka na ng boundaries para matanggal lahat ng mga blockages na maaaring nakalagap sa'yo. So let's see what is additional messages tayo with the finances and career. So let's see and watch this. Finances and career represent what? There's a lot of swords. Some of you guys nagkakaroon ng anxiety, sleepless nights. No? Dahil sa pag-overthink, pag-iisip. No, there's a Three of Swords. Some of you nakakaranas ng pain, betrayal, no, heartache, disappointment. There's a Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming, pero wag ka mag-alala. Parte yan ang paghubog sa'yo para palakasin at palaguin yung finances mo. No? Kumbaga marunong ka tumanggap ng mga disappointment, no? Yung mga bagay na alam mong inaalis sa'yo. Or either ganun talaga, nagkaroon ka ng trauma for tiwala. No? And this is something Seven of Wands. Protection at pangalagaming Jones mo dito. No? And there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted supportive person. May tao rin na sumusupport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. And because there's something, the Magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na ma-manifest pagdating sa finances. No, iwasan mong mag-overthink, iwasan mong maging paranoid. No, iwasan mong mag-isip ng kung ano-ano, ganun talaga. No, some of you guys, may business ka, no, nakakaranas talaga ng trying error, pagtumal, pagbagal ng finances, but eventually magtuloy-tuloy ka lang dyan. No, darating na yung paglago. What is additional messages tayo pagdating naman tayo sa love life? There's a full card for leap of faith. Magtiwala ka lang, maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo. No, there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Know how to manage and control your finances. Maging generous ka dyan. There's a strength with a confidence. Na magiging malakas at magiging matibay ka na ngayon, alagaan mo na yung sarili mo. Para may taong darating na para mahalin ka. No, there's a Three of Pentacles. No, collaborations. Communicate clearly. Getting to know each other. No, at the same time, guys, there's a Eight of Wands. Some of you magta-travel kayo in person mo, or makikilala mo siya international, or makikilala mo siya sa some of nowhere with other people, with mutual friends. And there's a Eight of Swords na makakalaya ka na from toxic and negative traits, no? Kumbaga kung dati lagi kang bigo, lagi ka nasasaktan, this is the moment na para mahalin ka at kiligin ka ulit. What is additional messages pagdating sa kalusugan? Pagdating sa kalusugan mo, there's a hyphesis, something hidden agenda, or hidden enemy. So maraming mystery dyan sa likod na yan. And there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's something big shot and big money. No, malaking bagay ang related sa finances at kalusugan mo. Kaya mag-iwas kang mag-isip-isip. No, kung ano pumapasok sa isip mo, there's an ambition. No, isa to sa nagbibigay stress sa iyo yung mga pangarap mo, no? Kumbaga, na ano ka agad, na pressure ka. na gusto mo na mangyari to, ganito, ganyan. Just wait for perfect timing. There's a 4-1 something celebration. Unti-unti ka na makakaranas sa mga celebration. Huwag kang mag-alala. Lagi nagpapakita sa iyo ang 11-11 that represent with twin flame energy. At the same time, a wish coming true. At matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Now, there's a 9 of Wands, no? Some of you nakakaranas ng struggles ngayon. No, feeling mo lutang ka, parang feeling mo hindi ka mapakali, naguguluhan ka. And this is something, the 5 of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of overthinking and being paranoid. Iwasan mo mag-isip. Not this something power of the deck, there's a 9 of Cups, a wish fulfillment. It's all about dreams. No? Na masyado ka na-pressure dahil may gusto kang mangyari, gusto mo tupadin agad-agad. No, just wait for perfect timing. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? Magical fairy messages represent okay, whom do you need to forgive? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong ipagpatawad, pakawalan? No, yung bigat, yung git-git, yung galit sa puso mo, alisin mo yan. And everything is okay. No, don't you worry. It's all working with a beautiful way. No? Maghintay ka, kumalma ka. No, lahat ng bagay, pangarap mo matutupad yan. Emotional healing. No, maging kalmado. No, huwag ka masyadong agresibo. No, magkakaroon ka ng something blessings, no, of love. No, magkakaroon ka ng something healing for emotional. And there's a business venture. No, magkakaroon ka dito business ideas, new business ventures, career opportunities. So let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent spying, looking, watching at you. Maraming mata na nakatingin sa'yo. Maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo. No, there's a regret. Some of them are maaari pinagsisisihan nila yung ginawa sa'yo. No? And this is something toxicity, but definitely guys, it's a very toxic. No? Kaya wag ka na ulit magtitiwala dyan kasi kaya yan mga yan ganyan kasi wala na sila makuha at malagap sa'yo. No? Wag ka na ulit makikipag-connected sa kanila. What is initial messages with an spirit for synchronicities? There is something in speaking truth. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na malalaman mo, lahat ng katotohanan ay maaaring malaman mo na. And if there's a storm na may unos, may pagsubok na darating, and there's a delays, no? Some of you nakakaranas ng delays, cancellations, and of course, there's something magic with the power of God. No, huwag kang mag-alala, plano yan ng ating Panginoon dahil may mga bagay na ibibigay sa iyo, no, on the right time. Let's see what is the Romance Angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's an ex-lover. Some of you may ex-lover dito. And there's an insecurities. Some of you meron dito mga parang kinukompare mo yung sarili mo with other people. No, may mga kanya-kanya kang beautiful, no, beautiful personality. No, meron kang mga bagay na meron kang mga bagay na wala ka nung mga bagay na meron sila, meron kang mga bagay na meron ka. No, kumbaga kailangan na i-appreciate mo yung mga bagay na ano man pangit at maganda sa iyo. No, ganon. And this is something legal matter. Some of you guys, no, meron ditong usaping legal. No, separations. No, meron ditong annulment. No, there's something signed in contract. So let's see what is the money matter represent what. And there's a wellness. Live a healthier lifestyle. No, exercise ka. No, kailangan mo mag-exercise, diet, at the same time, gumalaw-galaw, no? Kailangan mo kumain ng masusustansyang pagkain. And there's a shedding, no? Ibig sabihin dito, guys, some of you, baka ang trabaho o negosyo mo ay gym, no? And because there's a sabi dito with the shedding, mag-ihit kayo sa mga nagbabalat kayo. So let's see what is an angel's number represent what. And there's a 12-12 represent with persistence. So kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang. No, hindi ka pwede pabago-bago ng iniisip, pabago-bago ng gustong gawin. O happy day and a full opportunity related to your life. Life purpose is just around the corner. Take immediate action. Once in the pop up, of course, lovely partnership or an epic romance is also in the card. So see, talagang kumbaga sinasabi dito pati sa love life, pinapahagi dito na talagang may related about dito, guys, no? So, let's see what is a part of the life represent what? I am the light. So, ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag. No matter the trials I face, I hold faith in the bright future. I transform the darkness into light, opening my heart to others and to God. I draw the light to myself and shine with all my being, radiating love, hope, and strength. No? Kumbaga, ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag, no? Binibigyan ka ng tibay at lakas ng loob, maging matapang harapin yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Sa ngayon, siguro may mga pinagdadaanan ka financially, no? Emotionally, no? May mga bagay din dyan na pinagdadaanan mo by physically, mentally, emotionally. So, sinasabi dito na kailangan mong harapin yan. It's a part of your journey, no? Lahat ng trials, no? Lahat ng mga obstacles, no? Parte yan ng paghubog sa'yo. What is the shadow works represent what? Represent with a relentless cravings, no? There's something consumed, eroding in habits. Addiction is a prison disguise of freedom. Napalayain mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na nagbibigay ng, kumbaga, kaadikan sa'yo, no? Maaring luho, bisyo, alisin mo yan. Kasi pag hindi ka nakawala dyan, makukulong ka dyan sa situation na yun na hindi ka makakalaya na. Na parang ang hirap naman ako makabangon. No? Kapag nakasanayan mo na. So ngayon pa lang, kailangan mo nang palayain sarili mo sa mga ganyang gawain. And of course, clarifying for love situation, love represent what? Represent a missed chances. Don't have regret, cherish your moment together. No, wag mo pagsisihan, no? No, wag mo panginayangan yung mga bagay na nangyari sa inyong dalawa. No, kumbaga kailangan mo lang talagang panindigan at mahalin yung mga bagay na binibigay sa iyo. No, wag mo na sayangin yung panahon at pagkakataon para magkaroon na ulit kayo ng something time. So let's see what is the what lies beneath the hidden future. And there's something that trantic sex. No, some of you guys know yung person mo kinukulang na sa sex, no? Kumbaga kulang na sa lambing, kulang na sa harot. No, and there's an outdated. No, this is something guys with expert discuss. No, meron dito mga bagay na dati ng kumbaga pinag-usapan, gato ganyan, na maaaring kailangan na tapusin at tuluyan ng wakasan. No, hindi na paulit-ulit pa. So let's see what is clarifying for life situation. Represent what? So guys, mag-isip na kayo na question nyo regarding for a pick a card, yes or no questions, no? Meron tayong mga kasagutan dyan with the number 1, with the number 2, and with the number 3. Mag-isip na kayo na questions nyo for yes or no question para mamaya. And because this is something guys with a cutting edge, slice through obstacles and carve a path towards your dream. No, parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na sa bawat hakbangin, no, kumbaga ganun talaga, marami kang kailangan pagdaanan, no? Maraming pagsubok na kailangan mo maranasan bago mo marating yung mga pangarap mo, no? At bago mo makamtan yung kagustuhan mo, maging matagumpay sa hinahanap mo. And there's a yes or no, pick a card. Mag-isip na kayo na question guys, ito na. No, mag-i-start tayo with the number 1. No, ang sagot mo with the number 1 is here. Angels purpose give information po. Number 1 is yes. Insight and wisdom guide your choice. Na ibig sabihin dito, binibigyan ka ng pasilip at binibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan dito na para ipakita sa iyo yung tamang daan sa tamang pagpili mo. Na ibig sabihin na makakapili ka ng tama at wasto at tama yung magiging desisyon mo dahil may mga pasilip sa iyo ang ating gabay para malaman mo ang tama na daan patungo dyan sa kagustuhan mo mangyari sa buhay mo. And there's a yes, peaceful outcome and relaxation and aids decisions, no? Bibigyan ka na mas kapayapaang desisyon dito, magiging magandang kalalabasan dito at magiging maganda ang desisyon na tatahakin mo. So yes, no? Ipagpatuloy mo yan. With the number 3, there's something yes again. No, beauty and growth surround you, cherish it, no? Magaganda yung mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, pahalagahan mo, at of course, mahalin mo hanggat hawak-hawak mo pa. Enjoyin mo dahil may mga bagay dyan talaga na kailangan mo munang pagdaanan bago mo malasapan tunay na sarap, tunay na kaginawaan at tunay na magandang kinabukasan. So guys, maraming salamat. This is a special gabay for the month of April 17 hanggang April 23 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo. Siksik, liglig na gumabo ng biyayang manong barik sa inyo at maraming salamat sa next video. Bye-bye and babush!